Hey guys, put some new rims on the 71 Ghia. Let me know what you think. I'm liking them. I wasn't a big fan of the stock silver painted wheels in this car. My 7-year-old son, however, strongly dislikes these wheels in this car. I had no idea he was the purist that he was. So, just want to do a quick video. This weekend, Saturday, up in Shrewsbury, Mass, is the Herbert Candy VW show, Volkswagen 2019. So hopefully you New Englanders can make it. I've yet to go, so I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm looking forward to see you guys up there. So that was it. I just wanted to see what you thought of those rims. They're Enke's. Alright, that's it for me. Just wanted to remind you guys about the show. I see a lot of you guys and you're like, oh, I didn't know there was a show. So check it out. It's going to be a great show. So hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you soon. Alright, take care, guys.